How to delete a character in Character AI. Now, if you want to delete a character in Character AI, you can simply open the Character AI app. Now, if you're talking about a character that you did not create yourself, but you want to delete all the chats and hide those chats, you can do that from the chat space by simply long pressing a certain character and then tapping on the option called hide character to hide it. Now, if you're talking about the AI creators or the AI characters that you have created yourself as a creator, tap on your profile icon from the top right and go to where your character is, whether they're public, unlisted or private. One thing that you can do is, if you want to delete a certain character from the public view, if they're in public, you can choose to make it private. But if you're in private, even if you go to the settings icon here, you can see we do not have the option to delete the character. Now, unfortunately, Character AI does not make it easier for us to do this. The only way that we can get rid of this character is by completely modifying what this character is all about. So we can change its profile picture, we can change its name, we can change how it introduces itself, we can change its voice style and other things so that it will completely be opposite from the other character that we created, and that is the only way to get rid of that character. Unfortunately, we do not have the option to delete it directly, but obviously you can always modify it as an example. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.